A number of unorthodox payments involving sums of up to €30,000 have been identified at RTE in a report on financial issues of the past uncovered by the state broadcaster. In one case, top-up pension payments were made to a family member of a former senior executive. The report, which is expected to be brought to Cabinet in the coming weeks, also identifies issues around a piece of land, as well as a valuable piece of artwork in possession of the organization whose ownership is unclear. The report was compiled by the Chief Financial Officer of RTE, Mary Hurley, who took over the role last year following a period in which the organization was engulfed in controversy. While a number of concerning financial issues from the past have been discovered in her report, it's understood the organization has been unable to get to the bottom of how these arrangements came about in the first place. The issues have been flagged with the Audit and Risk Committee of the RTE board, and the chair of the board has asked for a written report on all of the issues identified. It has been submitted to the Minister for Media, Culture, the Arts and Gaeltacht, Patrick O'Donovan, and will be brought to Cabinet alongside the 2024 annual report for RTE in the coming weeks. A spokesperson for RTE said that the issues referred to in the report are past issues and are for the most part years or decades old. The spokesperson said these issues were identified and addressed by RTE and were brought to the attention of the department.